How to redeem a Google Play gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can go ahead and then redeem your Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to redeem your Google Play gift card, all you have to do is first of all just launch the Google Play Store application, and let's say you have a Google Play gift card that you want to apply to it, and all you have to do is after you open it up, you want to make sure that you're signed into the Google account, of course. Then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to select the option where it says payments and subscriptions, so make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on payment and subscriptions, here you'll find an option where it says redeem code, so all you have to do is just tap the redeem code option here. Once you tap on redeem code, it's going to take you to the page where you can simply enter your redeem code over here. So depending upon the value of your gift card or the code that you've added, most likely you'll be able to enter them. Tap the redeem button. If your code is correct, it's going to be successfully applied to your Google Play account. That's it on how you can redeem a Google Play gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.